Hey YouTube, JT here. It's been over 2 months since I did my first video on EDC. I figure it's time for an update. I'll attach this to that first video, and I'll give a little recap here. I don't wear jungle clothing or SWAT HRT tactical gear. This is all worn in the urban office setting. Slacks, polo shirt, a law shirt, cargo pants, suits. So let's see. Still rocking the Glock. I was gonna wait till I get that Wolf's barrel in, but they're telling me it's out of stock. 4 week wait. I decided just to go ahead. Right. Primary Glock 22, 15 and 1. Secondary Glock 23, 13 and 1. I wear that on a Galco ankle holster. 2 spare 15 round magazines. Oh, and before we go on, if you're one of those idiots out there who's not part of the gun knife culture, I don't even know why you're watching this video. No, I don't carry all this stuff on some macho head trip. I carry this gear because it's better to have it and not need it, and need it and not have it. My life and life of the people I'm protecting depends on me having the necessary equipment. Alright? I don't care if these people believe me or not. This is what I carry. I don't give a rat's ass what you think. Watch something else. Don't even bother leaving a comment because it has to be approved. Alright, let's move on. Primary knife. I switched out the Emerson CQC8. Been carrying this SOG Trident. Secondary left pocket. Still the zero tolerance 301. Ken Onion Strider collaboration. Usually in the right cargo pocket. Spyderco Civilian. Wicked serrations. Kind of like a velociraptor. Inside the waistband. Steve Tarani Karambit. Monarch II, I think it's a butterfly-lite level 2 protection. Used to have an Emerson CQ CB there. Gave that a little rest. Got this Spyderco Tenacious that everybody's been doing reviews on. Not the most expensive knife, but I think it's well constructed. Real sharp blade. If you watch Cutlery Lover's review, he cut himself doing the video. I heard even Nothing Fancy cut himself. And then when Dwayne Myers did his review and touched the edge, I pretty much cringed. Alright. Light source. Surefire 9P. I put a GG&G sawtooth end cap. Because your light can also double as a tactical impact device. Loaded fist, hammer fist, or with the sawtooth you can just rake the eyes. You also give like a ridge hand strike. I had a second light source. I keep that in my ammo bag, my bug out bag. ASP 21-inch baton. So where I used to clip that Streamlight Sidewinder, keep the Emerson in a little holster. I wear this neck knife. Carry only one hack now since I got all these other blades. Straight edge utility blade. Love these Comtech Stingers. You see my board breaking demonstrations. Last one I think I broke 5. One in each front pocket now. People wondering about my everyday wallet. Here it is. No biggies. That's why I left it out on the last one. Keys like anybody else, carry keys. My iPhone, watching an episode of Human Weapon. My Nixon watch. Well, like I said, a brief overview on the changes in my EDC. Really not much. It's more edge weapons. People ask me why I like blades. It takes skill to use a knife. Theoretically, anybody can pull a trigger. But to actually get up close to somebody, put the knife in them, and then turn it, or actually fight somebody who is himself skilled at a blade. You can't talk yourself out of something like that. Anyway, watch your fire, check your targets. JT out.